Okay, this is our first raid for the longest time.
Yung tono nila.
After a long time away from the server, the clan decided to return. But things were different now. Their group wasn't as big as it used to be. Some members had stopped playing, others had moved on to different games, and a few simply didn't have the time anymore.
Buras.
Saan tayo, Bosay?
HQM Quarry.
Saan yun?
Gitna ng map.
Tangi nga, nasa gitna HQM. What the fuck?
What the fuck? Nasa gitna. Gogi.
Sino mo yun? Ito. Kailangan siya na dito. Tangina. No.
Gogi. Yan yung medyo mahirap i-control eh. Yun.
Oh, I found a horse! Let's go!
Sino ka ba?
Ganyan na talaga yan sa update.
Let's go! HQM Quarry is so flat.
I'm here, boy!
Here we go, jump up.
Ay, di siya Inabulo ko. Inabulo. 3 times na rin. Tilgarit. Papi, masarap 5 guys.
Quality of life. Try mo na yung 5 guys. Uy, 5 guys? Oh my god.
Ooh.
Oh my god, 5 lalaki.
Masarap daw pag madami.
Yun oh, nadinig ko na.
Ang alit. Tier 2. Tumayo.
What used to be a bigger team was now just a small squad.
Ano yan?
Still, they came back with a goal. This swipe, they wanted to control the HQM quarry.
Kala ko tapos na yung long break niyo.
Oh my god, I forgot the pattern.
Do anything low. You build enough bases. Bro, both barks. The box is full. Enough farm for now. Bobby, stop.
Yes, I'm in the base. What's that, boy?
It's the blueprints. The vending machine.
Yeah. Gago, alam ko may picture ako niyan ni Obosin eh. Bakit? Ikaw ah. Grabe, bakit? Nagkikip ng mga picture ng lalaki ko. Tangina eh!
Nicolin.
Nadamay pa si Colin eh. Bakit ha? Bakit meron ka picture ha?
Naglululuan ko pa.
Naglululuan mo ha? Oh, sobrang tahimik ni Pabi. Antigas na pala.
Putang ina.
17 rockets na papuntang core. Kung magdodor. Mamaya ulit ako guys. Sige.
Saka na air, tagal na air.
Yung base secure naman eh. Dito lang ako. Tutulog.
The first day went perfectly. They built their starter base, gathered material, and farmed around the area without much trouble. For a moment it felt like everything was going according to plan. But Rust is never that easy.
Compound mo ba yan, ano? Mosing?
When they logged back in after
Uh-oh.
resting,
May
they
two box
realized
na
something had changed.
You just make
Another clan had moved into their territory.
Open.
Tambay muna ako sa
Naka-barricade chip. Ang daming metal sa ano. Ichipari.
Uy,
3,000.
tao!
Ano? 30.
HQM, yo.
Where are you?
Ano yan? Raran.
Ayun no, Wolfed.
Cycling.
Magrarun yan.
I'm here at the same door. Where we open.
Twice, hit twice. At the rock.
Uy.
Yeah.
Lapit yun sa atin ah.
Yeah, oh, roof camp nyo. Kaya, 110 east. Yeah, wait. Oh, the MP5 still near.
Yeah, he's behind the garage. Let me
Oh, that's a-
respawn.
That's not a good sign.
200. I 3-shot him.
I don't know where
1-8.
MP5
Hit
guys.
one.
MP5 guys. Right.
Is that Joy Boy?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, nice.
Barulin nyo ka AK.
guys, looting my...
2 guys at
Looting sa
260.
AK.
Ay, punta ka na, ang dami.
SKS guy behind me, I'm dead. Nana Chi. Echo, he'll be in front of you.
Ayan.
Headshot. Nice. Kill him up peron.
Well, just bite the...
Nice one.
Straight up. If somebody passes me.
Down, down, AK. Finish him. Finish him.
Tan.
Tara.
Can I join?
Can repair.
Tier 3 tayo. Ay, tier 3 na.
Wala.
Oh,
Yun mission natin.
Inano namin kanina. Inattempt namin militant. Tabangan kami.
Ayos lang. We go there at night and then we get some fragments and we go home.
The enemy group is like 8 to 10 man deep and very active. They constantly contested the area and interrupted farming runs. Slowly but surely, they began slowing the team's progress down.
They don't have cars.
Soon, farming near their base was no longer possible. They had to go farther and farther just to keep up.
Lote, Joy Boy.
Let's check. I can. We can do the puzzle, bro. They didn't take the puzzle.
Drop up. Diesel. Man.
Open the door again. I guess. Yeah, see two advanced blueprint fragments. Enjoy. Put bed, okay. You guys report bed.
Yeah, I put.
Like, we have a red card. We can just go to Mr. Silo also. You get
Yeah, we
fragments
can. Let's go to Silo. No scientist. There is scientist, there is.
there. So let's go. Just jump in.
Yeah, jump in. Go. What the back, sir?
Just jump in, bro. We'll cover.
Going down.
Let's extract.
Uy, extract gago.
I didn't go in.
Jumps on your left too.
We slow.
Oh, Busquets dead!
No! Go on without me!
Crouch down.
I am Legolas.
Oh, wait, scout.
Glaring from the opposite side.
3 scientists, okay? Ready.
Aim. Fire. What the
Nice, halamaga.
fuck? Bro.
Please.
Drop.
We can come.
Oh, naked
Come
guy.
below.
I see.
Okay.
Place barricade.
I don't have barricade. No one gave
Sige,
me my
sige.
barricade.
Sige lang, sige lang, sige lang.
Run.
Okay, stopping na. Hindi ako, bro.
Eight tries.
Get inside. You're the most important person.
Go.
I have but
Leave this to
I can look.
Yo, boys.
Go, Joy Boy. Drive.
Drive, Joy Boy.
This is armor. Unless they have HP.
Bro, there's one here.
That's the way.
Look at that camper. So good. More wall.
Oh my god. It got shredded by 556.
Jan Jury.
Oh, yan. Good guy yan.
Out ng ano to, rin?
Higa yung nakapito eh. What?
Good
C4!
Yan. Yun, may naka-escape.
Sa labas, 350 north. L9.
Oregon.
We have Volty boys.
Bulan niya.
Tigbibil.
Ito gamitin mo, Jamso, para makunat ka. Swap tayo na ano. Kompleto yan ang attachment eh.
Kaya kayo sumilan.
One teammate suggested, let's wall the quarry before the other clan could. But Saiyan had a different idea. Instead of racing them, he suggested letting the other clan do it first. Let them invest the time. Let them drain themselves. Then, when the moment was right, they would raid them and take everything. He was confident. The plan would work 100%.
Ito na sa kabila. Sa right. Sa akin.
The clan started to raid, little by little, just to get the feeling back. They even tried PvP roaming just to get the blood running. They raided a couple bases and fought a couple of teams, which gained them confidence.
Okay, 1-4.
Two guys in the mountain. South. Tatlo sila.
Two dead.
Oy, headshot ako.
Nagre-reload. I got it.
There's one behind me.
Okay.
Where did
Okay.
I spawn?
Are you dead?
He's chasing. I cannot place one. Oh my god.
Hit twice.
Coming.
I'm dead.
Twice, AK guy.
Play like far. I don't have clothing.
I downed the AK guy above you, Boss Kebs. I think he's crawling near recycler.
Behind.
Dead.
Tangina mo, bobo.
Atras ka. Nice. Di po mo sa camper.
Sa harap ko, guys. Jump shoot sa harap ko. Wait lang, pabalik ako sa body. Pabalik ako sa body.
AK dead! AK dead!
Gonna die, bro.
Tier 1.
Go.
Okay.
OMG, I'm very excited. We are making a raid.
Ladder, bro. Ladder, bro. Ladder,
I just
bro.
see these things in the videos. OMG. What is generator for?
Gonna put turret outside but in the raid base. We are protected.
Ah, they're online.
They're online. G.
Single door above. Single door.
Broken, bro. Care, bridge pick.
Garage door.
Don't cross, rocketing. Excuse. Don't cross. Hold angles, hold angles.
Casting.
Not
Loot,
easy.
loot.
Out.
TC.
How many extra ammo do you have, Jamso?
88, 96.
Get the charcoal. We need the charcoal.
Aha, the DB doesn't work for Captain Philippines. I feel sorry for you.
Oh,
You're both noobs. Fighting.
Rakat ka lang, sir. Rakat ka lang.
High external walls slowly surrounded the entire HQM quarry. Soon after, they added 2 watchtowers to overlook the area. They fully committed, exactly what the team had expected.
all of these components? Really?
But then, something unexpected happened.
What the fuck? That base
The enemy clan attempted to offline raid Saiyan's base.
Eh, walang online sa atin ah.
Uy, gago. Sino nagbibuild?
Uy, ba't may natututoret?
Gago.
Pero read ba tayo?
Oo. Ata.
Pero read, gago.
May nagbibuild sa labas. Raid base. Taka, bobo to
Gago.
mga to.
Andun sa roof sila. Roof lahat. Sa roof.
Eh di ako dapat magsisiri.
Oh, dead. Custom dead.
Okay, sige. Ba't ko ano? NVG pre.
Ako rin. Sealable na. Wait lang ha. May pansil ako
Sa akin yun, may
Is ko yung garage dito.
Dead.
Okay. Wala akong makita pre. Meron ako na yung
Aray ko.
pero sira.
Nare-raid tayo.
Yes. Wait, meron ako yung VG. Meron ako yung VG.
What cannot build on system?
Naputos na eh.
Ito,
Isa pa. Naputos ulit.
hindi marating.
Pingi pa wood.
Punta may attack heli.
Oh, nagpapadala sila kada may namamatay. Wait lang. Ay, nagpadala ulit isa,
Dead. Dead MP5.
Tara naman! AK.
New guys.
Oh, nagpapadala sila. Kailangan talaga natin mapatay lahat sila. Kasi yun lang yung respawn nila.
Tandaan ako magsisiri.
Kailangan ko seal mats. Akin na. Akin yung wood lang.
Eto, pwede na ako makaritik sa open core, nice.
naka-hold ako open core, naka-hold.
Sa atin pa din naman mga sa atin.
Dead one.
Nice.
Seal mo. Nice one.
Full seal.
Isa pa dito, taas, isa pa. Akyat, seal.
Ang dami.
Unti lang nakuha nila.
Enough. Wala silang na
Walang naiuwi.
Wala.
Bobo.
Gitna lang, lahat nasa gitna.
Nasa single door, di nila inopen. Di nila inopen.
Lumumiki na sa akin.
Maiki ako.
Ay,
Aperon. Bigay mo sa akin ceiling mat.
ito, bala natin pipes. Nakuha lang nila pipes ata.
Wala tayong pipe.
Wala tayong pipe.
Gago, rocket ba natin to or sila? Oo. Sa atin to,
Sa atin yan.
Hindi nila nakita, boy!
Wow.
Boy!
Nakita.
Gago, hindi ko nilagayan sa gitna.
Luckily for them, the raid failed. They managed to defend successfully. And at that moment, they knew this was the opportunity they had been waiting for. The enemy had already spent huge resources walling off the quarry. Their raid had failed. Their morale was likely low. And most importantly, they probably had no rockets left. So the team began preparing.
Hey, heal up. Check your
let's go, heal
food.
up.
Check your water. HP.
We're gonna die. What's the point?
Let's go. Let's go. Okay, this is our first raid for the longest time.
Near sa base.
Ibabag kita. Huwag yung...
Nag-open na lang doon.
Dito na. Bag timer.
Metal memo.
Let's go din.
Ano, andun pa rin.
The other than the compound.
Okay, punta ba ako ba?
Oh, meron.
Ano yun?
Ha?
Tatlo lang ladder ko ngayon. O, sa baba na. Checking ako right side nila na ano. Oo. Wait lang natin. Ito, labasan ko na.
Nakapag-goal ba ako dyan?
May turret pa left side.
Meron pa isa dyan.
Huwag ka po po siya, Sai, huwag ka po po.
Ito, jump. Palandra mo na. Yung isa.
Trabiling vendor, check nyo yung benta. De, joke lang.
Pangin na talaga.
Finder just.
Pangin ng patalas. Gago.
Si Levi, papunta
Ay,
na
siya!
dun eh.
Ay! Patay siya, patay.
Never mind.
Sira na yung
Hey.
turret.
Hindi maka...
Kahit may turret.
Andito na ako. Sa smelter nila. Pamatay ata ko dito.
Safe dyan na pero.
Oh,
There's a lot of NVGs.
Ito, torch. Nag-open siya ulit.
Patay siya.
Pa-bridge, open na.
Gago, may turret.
Tsaka lang
Medyo
medyo.
tama, marakit na lang.
Oh, pang-rocket yan. Uy! Okay, hold ko. Tatlo ano nila?
I-rocket mo yan, yung armored. Ni-rocket ko. Oh.
Oo. Ingat sa uncle.
Gitna.
We're ready.
Wala na.
Medyo naglipat ata sila.
Nakabantay ako sa para mag-cross the door.
Ingat sa uncle biters ah.
We cannot see the
Ay ko! 40 days na nila! Ay, di po ko to ah.
Oh, dipo. Hey, can someone go here, loot and depot. Eh, sino magdidipo? Ito, backpack, kunin mo backpack.
Meron din ako backpack eh.
Di si Levi
Teka,
wala.
laban sa labas. May counter sa labas. Teka lang.
wow, that was the bomb box.
May secret loot room ata sila.
Oh, meron. Marami silang bunker.
Transfer.
Gagawin ko yan eh.
Suko na sila. Hindi ako naniniwala.
Uy, parang may bunker to guys.
Oh, meron. Ito, oh. Roof bunker, oh.
Wala tayong...
Harap i-15 rocket.
Parang may mga box.
Hindi ka
I-15
Levi, dyan
rocket
mo to.
natin. Kaya yata,
Apat na lang to sa akin.
Bahala na.
Apat lang to sa akin.
Ngayon sa loob.
Move dyan, boy, move.
Huwag ka mag-cross jump to ah.
Pili ka ha?
Hop.
Open the door!
Uy, dashing Cody.
Yeah. This one now.
Oh, Mayeli!
Itong dalawa.
Wala na lagay ng gamit.
Puno na tayo na eh.
Your base is already gone, bro.
Oh, L9! L9!
Yeah, this is mine.
Joy Boy only took one gun!
Ay, this is the bunker. Itong ganito, oh.
Nakapok na.
Counter, stress, counter.
Wait.
Patay na.
Magdadrop ka tayo!
Tingin.
Namo mo! Tagal ko sa'yo! Sa'yo lang ang puso ko!
Pati kami!
Hoy, tagalan niya, paulasan.
Bakit kay Bobby?
Okay, tingnan niyo muna. Saan yan?
Tingin.
Ano naman? Screenshot.
Wait na, putang ina! Wala maglulot! Putang ina!
Oh my God.
What happened, bro?
Uy, wala maglulot.
Tabi.
Stability,
Black,
stability.
5 play.
Magdadrop ka tayo!
Tabi na, transfer ko na to. Transfer ka muna to.
Namo mo!
Ano ko nyo? Patingin ako.
Tanak ko sa'yo! Sa'yo lang ang puso ko!
Kawagin ko.
Magdadrop ka tayo!
Tabi.
No.
What the fuck, bro?
You seen it, J-Boy?
Yeah, bro.
J-Boy, magdodroga tayo.
Bago, dire-diretso yun.
Magdadroga tayo.
Yes, let's go!
Two, one.
Uy! Laki naman ng armor! Pick up side! Oh, napapa! Meron, sa baba! Pick up side! Nandito yata yung boom!
Wait lang. Nagka-cramp.
Nasimot!
Bago! Dami!
Let's go!
Full hit, snow jacket.
What the fuck, sayang? Mag-isa nag-raid gago din nagsabi. Pumpkin for days.
Uy, dying berry oh.
Berries for days.
Harvesty!
Orti.
Tulog ka dun sa bed na.
Kanton yan. Uy, daming ano, puta pati harvesting. Nagre-raid na naman isa si boss.
Kita ko.
Jan Julie and I've been searching for a L9 on the ground for 10
Dito
minutes.
sa ano, open door.
Gunpowder.
Ay, dito sila nakatira. Sa B15, naka...
Huwag ka lang katatin mo sa racket eh.
Gun again, bro.
Putang na mo ba't sa base? Go. Ba't dito sa base natin?
Dinadambol.
Oh, Jansu! Ayaw mo untayin ha?
Hello?
Putang ina! Palaging crash land ng gago!
Tangina wag.
Bobby! Patay! Bobby
Kala niya safe
dahil!
net.
Nakatapa.
Ito. Joy boy.
Blow, don't shoot us, blow.
It's too late. You gonna click. Oh, plan.
Pre-press. Ano eh?
Pare-pareho lang landing.
Sige. Bagsak lahat eh.
Dalawang turret yan ha. Sige, tas tingnan mo.
Oh, bumaba rin sila. Di nga nila ako pinansin eh.
Aura
Gago.
party!
Zero na kami.
Gago. Aura maraming.
Gago. Wala. Mahina na.
Gago. Pero, tibay gago.
Aura farmer.
Bawang tahimik pala pag sa atin na yung quarry.
Sobrang peaceful nga eh. Booking ina.
Pwede pa ako magkape pandesal dito.
Ano, pwede nga ako mag-offline dyan sa loob ng quarry.
Oh, gago. Wala na nang L9. Putang ina.
The HQM quarry belonged to them. The entire team was celebrating. Everyone was laughing, shouting, and excited about what would happen next. For a small group that started with almost nothing, this was their biggest victory of the wipe. They were still playing on the server. Maybe another clan would try to take the quarry. Maybe this story would have a part 2. But for now, they were satisfied. Hearts full. Genuine smile. And in the end, that's what Rust is really about.
Nagawa tayo ng gano'n. Ganyan group. Puro lang ganyan yung mga truck natin. Pag gano'n, nakikipagkakay tayo. Hindi ko ba yun? Check na lang makakuha rin sa experience sa akin.
It's sa pang aitaw.
Naril sa langit.
Granada. Puta ka na! Patay tatlo! Gago!
No, they reform.
R.
Teka lang. Sai, silipin mo sila. Halika dito, Sai. Ito, Sai. Sai.
Ah!
Ako po. Okay. Welcome to the family.
Ladder lang sila. Ladder.
Putang ina, pa pa yan.
Banda eh, kaya.
Teka lang. Oy, putang ina mo. Gago, ladder.
Saan yung
May
exit?
ladder na wala. Tinanggal.
Walang ladder. Walang ladder. Walang ladder. Walang ladder. Walang ladder. Wala na ladder, baby.
Yeah, ladder.
Paano yun?
Paano ladder?
Wala na ladder.
Ako dyan ngayon. 150 times.
O, ito, ladder. Ay, ay,
Wait, no.
ay, ay! Nalaglag yung ato.
Ay, gago!
Ay, gago lang!
I gave you
Gago, wala kayo
ladders.
dyan. Nasa akin ladder. Di ko bibigay na.
Ladders.
Ano, mag-push tayo ang payroll. Sana makasama natin mga pasok-pasukan. Wishing ko
Hanap na work.